In this video, we will understand how to create departments and tables on QuickDine. The different departments are created for managing the operations of the restaurants. For example, we can create dine-in, delivery, takeaway, etc. as different departments for a restaurant. To create the new department, go to the Department section and click on Add New Department. This page opens up. Add the name. The amount type and amount allow us to add the additional charges if required for a specific department. For different departments, you can also select different taxes if required. Save the department by clicking on the Submit button. Now let us create another department called Delivery with additional charges for delivery service. Now let us see how to create tables for the restaurant arrangement to take table orders. On QuickDine, open the Tables section. The following page appears. To create a new table, click on Add New Table. Add table name, select table status, select location, and the department to which this table has to be attached. Then, submit the page to create the table. So, this is how we can create tables on QuickDine to take orders.